Hi everyone. I have explained so many concepts in my previous videos. Today we will discuss some points about time and distance. Okay. Do you know what is Chandrayaan 3? Chandrayaan 3 is the third Indian lunar exploration mission under the ISRO. Launch date is 14th July 2023. Landing date is 23rd August 2023. Now I am coming to the point. Do you know the speed of Chandrayaan 3 while it was touching the lunar surface? You know or not? The speed of Chandrayaan 3 was 1.68 km per second because there are no speed limits on the moon, no speed cameras. Pragyan rover has ramped down onto the moon from the lander with a speed of 1 centimeter per second. I'll give you how they are I'll give you some points about the speed, distance and time. Do you know how they are calculating distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. If the speed increases, time decreases. During the morning hours, you used to go to school fast. Am I right? So we used to run. Our speed increases. We'll reach the school within the short period of time. But during the evening time, we will walk away from the school very slowly. Okay, so speed decreases, time increases. We'll take more time to reach home from the school. So speed and time are inverse variation. Okay, I'll give you some points about the conversion. Suppose the speed of the train is given as in kilometer per hour, speed of the train. Okay, they are asking us how many meters will it travel in 10 seconds. Like that, if they ask, what you should do, no? You have to convert kilometer to meter. Am I right? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Then you have to convert hours into seconds. That is, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Instead of that, we can multiply that x into 5 over 18. Then you will get the answer in meter per second. Suppose if they are giving the speed in meter per second, if they are asking you to convert into kilometer per hour, you have to multiply that x by 18 by 5. I'll give you many concepts, many key points in my upcoming videos. Thank you.